welcome back to another episode of Flatty Outdoors, everybody. I'm your host today, Preston Frederick, and today we're on the
outdoors.
Mississippi River, baby.
Mississippi.
I got my good buddy JT here, and we are just kind of in the center of the metros, I'd say. Fishing pool 1 in the Mississippi. All you locals around here, city dwellers, probably know where we're at, but we get to tie on some bottom rigs, throw some jigs, go after some catfish, smallmouth, walleye, whatever bites our line, huh? But stick around, I'm gonna probably strap up the chesty. Stick around, stay tuned. This is Flatty Outdoors. I'm getting a bite on this rod already. There's one. Fish on, baby. What do I got? Oh, that might came off. Oh no, it didn't. Baby channel. Baby channel. No skunk. No skunk today. Little baby channel. Look at the spots on that guy. Oops. He's good. We'll start. I'd like to catch that, but about 3 pounds bigger. Nice little cat. Bring that baby back out there. I mean, right when it hit the ground. See that bobber? Jeez, this guy hit. Don't lose that pole.
Oh, I hurt my foot.
Oh. Probably should just come back up on shore. Are you kidding me? That's right where I'm fishing, man.
It was an accident. I'm stuck.
Crawl up to the top. Did you get it? Hey, at least you got it. I'm getting a bite too, I think. There's one. There's one. There's one. Fish on, baby. Little guy. What do we got? Drummy. Drummy. Let's get a good little release on this guy. All right. You're next on this rod, buddy. I mean, you can't get skunked today.
Probably will.
There's a guy sleeping over here. Let's continue our trek down this way. JT couldn't quite make it out here today. There he goes. That was awesome. I think this is gonna be a good spot to start. If we don't catch any, we're gonna move down towards that locking dam over there. We'll start here for now. Seem to have some luck in the past, aka yesterday. All right, here we are, guys. So with this bottom weight, let's just keep it on the bottom. Even this weight, this current how it is, it's still a little light. Then we just got a crawler trailer. See if we can't get any quick bites. I'm gonna go ahead and get the chesty strapped up for you guys. We got one line in with the crawler. I'm gonna get the other line in. We're just doing some lazy fishing today, letting our lines soak, waiting for a bite. Just take a look at this place. I mean, just gorgeous morning out here. It's about 7:30. Could have got out here a little earlier, but it's really just beat the rush and nobody's here. So we got this pole out here. Beautiful morning on the Mississippi. Stick around, stay tuned. This is Flatty Outdoors. Drums to start the day. Little drum bud. I got one. Oh, it's a nice one. Oh. Just reeled into him. Oh. Head shakes. Catfish. Oh, drummy. Oh, head shake city. It's a little heavier. Oh, oh, oh. Drum. Nice drummy. Nice drummy. This guy up here. This guy up here. Fat drummy. Alright, drummy. Live to swim another day, bud. Live to swim another day. Oh, that's a beautiful looking drummy. Kind of reminds me of fishing in Missouri, so I don't mind it. Oh, he's kind of surfacing a little bit. Oh, kick off. There you go. Nice cast there. Set this guy back. There we go. We are set. Literally just put this one back out. Had no bait on it. Yep, it's getting thumped. It's getting thumped. Yeah, it's bigger too. It's bigger. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's bigger. It's running at me. Oh man, what is this? Big drum. Another big drum. In the drummies. Into the drummies. Oh man. What a blast, though. What a blast. Oh. Big drummies, gosh. All right, bud. Pretty good. This rod. We go. Oh, we in. We in. Oh, I think I missed him. He was there for. So, oh, maybe I got him. I can't tell. I think I got something, y'all. Nothing? Something? Oh, sweet. Sweet. I've never caught one of these before. This is a red-tailed or red-eared something. Cool. Okay. Okay. Sweet. It's a sweet looking fish. Look at the colors on that guy. Look at that red tail. What a fish. Oh, we're gonna get him back. What an awesome fish though. Look at the colors on that thing. What a cool looking fish. Wow. So awesome. You can still see his red tail. I just got smacked. It's a little bigger too. Are you rolling? Jeez, this one's been out there. Haven't had a bite in a while and it just got hammered. Smallie. Well, different species today. Different species. Hooked right on the lip. Look at there. That is a nice smallie little guy. Still something. Not much of a fight there, but boy did he hammer that. Let's get him in the light. Oh yeah. Get him back in the water. A little update, we're about, I'd say it's about 11:30. We've had a pretty good day. Caught a bunch of drummies. You guys saw catfish, red horse sucker, I believe. We're gonna give it probably another hour or 45 minutes. We still got some bait and nobody seems to be pushing us out. No other fishermen, so we're gonna see if we can't pick one up, and if not, we'll wrap it up. Did a couple days out here. Started out yesterday, JT and I came out, caught a few, and today ended up catching some more. So it's been a pretty good day. I'm just hoping that I can pick up a few more before we leave, so stick around. Hopefully we catch some more. Oh, this one's getting hit now. Yep. There's one. Ooh, boys. Got a little head shaker here. A little head shaker. Another drumbo. Nice drummy. There you go. Just gonna let him go. Another drummy. Just missed another one, but got that one. Well, everybody, that's gonna wrap up today's episode. I ended up catching some fish today. Going with crawlers worked on the Mississippi. I knew it would. I knew I'd catch drummies. I knew I'd probably catch some catfish. But overall, it was a pretty good day today. As always, remember to like, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and just remember, it's Flatty Outdoors.